This is a beginning ukulele tutorial on the Island Strum, which is one of those essential, quintessential ukulele strums that every ukulele player has to have mastered. I'm going to be using some educational tricks in order to break things down, make it into small-sized chunks, build upon knowledge we already have, so you can master the Island Strum both in your mind and in your muscles. We're going to take the Cowboy Strum first, and we're going to add on to it and transform it into the Island Strum. So if you don't already know how to do the Cowboy Strum, I have a link down below there for you. If you're just new to strumming too, I've got another link just on basic strumming technique as well. Get those mastered and then come on back. If you've been doing my New to Uke program from the start, you're ready to go. So let's do it. The first thing we're going to do with our Cowboy Strum is transform it about an inch. Really, just about an inch. Instead of going just the first two strings on the first down strum, we're going to take that first down strum and go all four strings all the way down. So you're going to have to move your hand down a little bit further. Let's just do a slow Cowboy Strum together for about 30 seconds. I'm doing it on an F. And 1, 2, 1, 2. Here we go. Easy peasy. Just a little bit more weight on and a little more length on that first down strum. If you're not feeling comfortable, pause and then work on it on your own until you feel comfortable and then come back. The biggest difference between the Island Strum and the Cowboy Strum is that the Cowboy Strum is 2 beats long and the Island Strum is 4 beats long. The Island Strum, actually the first 2 beats, is the Cowboy Strum with that all 4 strings ringing. Let me demonstrate. This is the Island Strum on F. I'll count it out for you as well. So 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and. Whereas the Cowboy Strum is 1, 2, and 1, 2, and 1, 2, and 1. So let's take that Cowboy Strum and build upon it. To help you master this, we're going to take our chording hand out of the equation. Just lightly mute your strings by placing your fingers over it, so we just don't even worry, it's going to sound like this. We are going to play the Cowboy Strum, down, down, up, and then we're going to say the second part of it, up, down, up. So I've got the visuals here for you. So like this, down, down, up, down, up, up, down, up. Join me with this. Let's do it together. Let's do it for just about a minute in order to get it locked away in our brains and our muscles. 1, 2, here we go. Up, down, up. 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 You should be feeling really strong and comfortable with that. If not, I've got a link down below on how you can just recycle that and do it over and over again at your own pace to master that portion of it. If you're ready to move on, here we go. Next exercise in getting the Island Strum under your belt. You're going to say the first 2 downs and then you're going to play with muted strings, up, up, down, up. So it'll sound like this: down, down, up, down, up. Mute your strings, play along with me for about 45 seconds. 1, 2, here we go. Down, down, up, down, up, 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 down, down, up, down, up. Hope you're saying those along with me. The science behind it says that if you say that, you will understand it and get it into your muscle memory faster because you're adding another kinesthetic and auditory cue to help your body mesh it all together. Do it because the science says so, even if it sounds strange. For this next little technique drill that we're going to do, we're going to put away our ukuleles and we're going to do some non-ukulele work to help our minds understand the Island Strum. The Island Strum is syncopated. Big technical term for a rhythm that has emphasis that isn't on the beat. So I like to pat the beat on my chest because it has a nice hollow sound, drum-like sound to it. So the Island Strum goes down, down, up, down, up, bum, bum, ba, 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 da. The third beat of the pattern, 1, 2, 3, is silent. There is no sound on the Island Strum on that beat. And then the next sound that you have, you are off the beat. So watch how that happens. Down, down, up, down, up, bum, bum, ba, 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 da. So that is, you have a beat, if you're tapping your foot along, where there's no sound. And that helps create that syncopated island sound. So store that away in your memory banks. Keep it in mind as we go on to the next step. This is our last non-chording practice that we're going to do. We're going to do the whole Island Strum on our muted strings, saying it while we play it. Let's do that for about 45 seconds together. 1, 2, here we go. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, 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 down, up. How you doing? Is it feeling like you can do that along? Here's my practice tip for you. If you're not able to go on to the next video right away, make sure that you rewind it. In fact, even doing this last part where you're doing it silent, it might be just a really good warm-up as you start progressing into making it a little harder, putting chord changes with it, or putting it with the song. Just that little bit of time practicing it without having to add anything else will help cement it into your muscle memory for you. Catch you in the next video where we start changing chords.